Join our Friday and Saturday Zooms for 3 hours of hands-on AHK teaching and support. Get unstuck and level up in real time. Witness how club members crush real AHK projects. It's eye-opening proof that our community sparks creativity and success. For you.
Well, the problem I was having was that the run was not working for me because
Yeah, I know.
Sight was getting in the way, and now
So,
Sight seems to be working fine.
well, let me find this. Before I share my screen, let me go back to my main. Oh, it opened in our default editor, which should be fine. But what I showed you, I sent you, on the side was just, hey, I think, and I may be wrong on this, but even if you had that issue with Sight, I think if you did this run and give it the path to the AutoHotkey executable, and then the path to the script, I think that would actually run that script, even with the Sight problem you had. I
sort of tried it, but I think I didn't. I put an extra comma in there,
okay. Yeah.
and I couldn't get the syntax right, and
It yeah, it took me a little while to get it right to give to you, and then you're like, "Yeah, this doesn't work. I don't have those paths." And I'm like, "Yeah, like there, you'll have to change them, right?" But yeah, I use that, and I think I told you guys because some things I want launched with, I don't want my notification tray to show, some things I hide in the system notification tray, and some I want visible. So I launched them with specific things somewhere. Where the sys tray hider, this is just another AutoHotkey executable, but it allows me to group my scripts so not all of them are displayed in the system tray. Some of them are hidden away and some of them are visible. So that's how
So the wonderful thing that I learned about this, that this is V1 script running V2 scripts.
yeah, true. Also, well, V1 and V2, because like I said, I still have a bunch of V1 script. This is a V1 script, and then I have a bunch of scripts that are still V1 that I run.
That's cool.
but you just you run the AutoHotkey and then tell it what script to run. That's yes,
Yeah,
that is so cool.
Right. Get insider savings, 25% off courses, scripts, and done-for-you AHK jobs, making premium tools affordable and accessible. Members get unlimited access to 466 plus hours of video lessons, packed with AHK insights to binge learn whenever inspiration hits.